1, 2, 3, 4. What is going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're just doing awesome today. We're going to learn China Grove by the Doobie Brothers, that classic song from the 70s. Man, this just sounds like the 70s to me. And my biggest memory of the Doobie Brothers is not actually their music. I was watching the movie Romancing the Stone with Michael Douglas and Kathleen Turner, I think, as a kid. And in the movie, he's been out in the jungles of South America or something too long. Didn't even know that the Doobie Brothers had broken up. I think they were in a plane and he's smoking something. He's like, oh, he's so bummed that the Doobie Brothers broke up. But anyway, that's enough down memory lane. Let's just get right to this lesson in E major. So it's in E major, but you play it with this bar chord up here, classic bar chord, like that right here. So you hit the open E and the 7th fret of the A string, and then 9th of the D, G, and B strings right here, you know, the classic E major bar chord, and give it 2 good hits like this. Like that. Pull those suckers off, leave the open E string ringing out. Try not to hit the high E string like that, and do it again. Very cool. Then you go down 2 frets. So you take that same shape, went down 2 frets to a D major, hit it twice, and then you're in an A major shape. You could do a regular A major, but if you take an F major chord shape up to the 5th fret, you're in an A major. And you hit the high parts of that one, and then the low parts, like that. So check this out. Slow. You get palm muting going in between like that, too, like that, right? See? Sort of hitting the A twice, up high, and then down low. And on that part, you're not letting the E ring out like that. One more time. Ah, messed up. Very cool. And if you want to, you can go like this. This thing's pretty cool. You go from the 7th to the 9th of the low E string, and then 7th of the A string. So. Of the same chords until it goes like this: C sharp minor to B major. I use my thumb. A to a C7th, like that. A couple different ways to play it. So C sharp minor, B major. You can play it up here too. A, B, C. If you want to do all bar chords like that, you can do it. Or again. Just one little note on the 2nd fret of the A string to the C7th, which of course is the 3rd fret of the A string, 2nd of the D, and then 3rd of the G, B, and high E strings, like that. And then it goes, whoa, 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 China Grove. So it repeats the verse and chorus again, and then the middle does this cool bridge where it starts, does this palm muting volume swell on the E right there. This one's pretty sweet. You go from a G sharp minor to a B, that's a B major, to a C sharp minor right here. C sharp minor, F sharp minor, way up here. It's like a B minor shape, but you're way up here on the 9th fret. Back to C sharp minor. So that's one way to do it, like that. Ready? Or you can do it this way. So I just went from right here, sort of a bar chord of that G sharp minor, to the B major, and then C sharp minor, F sharp minor, and then C sharp minor. Then it goes to an F sharp major. F sharp major, and you're adding this pinky onto the 4th fret of the G string. Then it does that thing again. it goes to A. Right here, so you went to an A major. You can add this finger on the 3rd fret of the B string and this one on the 4th fret of the D string if you want to, and then C, D, E. It's that same original bar chord shape, just down right here, and then the D and right here. And when you do, you're right back where we started from. A lot of chords there in the middle, but super fun to play, a blast, and I'd love to hear how you do in the comments. Give me some tips and ideas for more Doobie Brothers songs and more 70s stuff, and I'll catch you around.